Right now, I'm not even interested in that DJ business. Like how I'm interested to help my country to stand up strong. I want to see my people them stop from suffer. Me come from a days of suffering, so I know what it is to do crush banana and callaloo. I know what it is to eat dumpling and butter. You understand me? So, me want to see the people them live some of my life them when me I live. You understand me? Some of my life them when me enjoy, and some of my life them when me pass and ignore. I want to see them ignore and live up better. You understand me? So let me say, where we say art I love, send the art them. You understand me? So what me know? I want to just put up the money there and send it come give me, you know. You understand me? Let me just send that little girl here go foreign, go get her treatment, you know. If she go and she make it, we're proud. If she go and she not make it, we try. There will be and make it manifest and bring everything to pass. So when me say, make we just go deal with it and say, yeah.